Dear students, in this class I am going to explain how to store the data permanently in your devices by using file input output functional blocks which is used in our LabVIEW software. That is how to write to text file and read from text file by using VA. Okay, let's see how to do the program by using this VA. So first you have to go to this block diagram window and right click here and go to this file input output functional palette and you have to select the palette and move here. After that we have to select the blocks whatever we need for our given program. So first I have to select open file, then close file. Again I have to select write text file. Okay. After that I have to select all the blocks by using the via. Here I have to use the shortcut keys. Okay. So first you have to press Ctrl A, then Ctrl space. Again you have to press Ctrl W. It will connect all the blocks automatically. Then you have to give the name for all the blocks. Okay. After that we have to create one string control in the front panel window. Then I have to type here whatever we want. Here I have to type welcome. Okay. Welcome students. Then I have to connect the string control to the text input. After that I have to create one notepad in the desktop. So I have to create one text document here and I have to change the name as write file. Okay. Then I have to go to this front panel window and run the program. After that I have to go to this write file and click OK. Then I have to observe the output in the notepad. See the output. So whatever we write here is automatically saved in our notepad. You understand the concept of write to text file? I will explain read from text file by using VI in the same window. So once again I have to go to this file input output functional palette and I have to select the palette and move here. Then I have to select the blocks. It is open file, close file and read text file. After that I have to connect all the blocks by using the wire. So I have to use the shortcut key. The shortcut keys you have to press Ctrl A initially, then Ctrl space. Again you have to press Ctrl W. Okay. After that I have to give the name for each block. So I have to select all the blocks and right click here and go to the visible item and click this label. Then I have to create one string indicator in the front panel window. After that I have to connect the string indicator to the text output. Then I have to create one notepad in the desktop and I have to change the name as read file. Okay. Then I have to open the file and I have to type here whatever I want. Here I have to type hello students. Then I have to save and close the file. After that I have to go to this front panel window and run the program. Okay. Then I have to go to this read file and click OK. Okay. See the output. So whatever you save in the notepad is automatically read it and it will indicate it in the string indicator. You understand the concept of read from text file? I will explain sub VA in the next class. Understand? Thank you.